Welcome. Let us begin. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. If a problem is fixable, there is no need to worry. If it's not fixable, then there is no benefit in worrying whatsoever. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. It did what all ads are supposed to do, create an anxiety, relievable by purchase. Anxiety, the illness of our time, comes primarily from our inability to dwell in the present moment. With my desire to improve everything, I destroy the moment. Cultivate calm and stillness. Let go anxiety as a lifestyle. He who fears he will suffer already suffers because he fears. Don't worry about achieving. Don't worry about perfection. Just be there each moment as best you can. The secret to health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, nor to worry about the future, not to anticipate the future, but to live the present moment wisely and earnestly. Life is not attention anywhere except in the minds of humanity. Stop being tormented by everyone else's reaction to you. If you aren't in the moment, you are either looking forward to uncertainty or back to pain and regret. Be scared. You can't help that, but don't be afraid. A great many worries can be diminished by realizing the unimportance of the matter which is causing the anxiety. Worrying is carrying tomorrow's load with today's strength, carrying 2 days at once. It's moving into tomorrow ahead of time. Worrying doesn't empty tomorrow of its sorrow, it empties today of its strength. Thank you for your time. Stay strong.